When your home or business has suffered fire damage, you'll need the professional SERVPRO cleanup crew. We offer 24-hour emergency service by highly trained fire restoration technicians. Call SERVPRO at 844-254-1480. Once we've secured the home or commercial building, you'll need to move fast to protect its contents. Follow the link below this video for important fire damage emergency tips. After any fire damage situation, your primary focus should be safety first. We'll treat your family with empathy and respect and your property with care. SERVPRO, fire and water, cleanup and restoration, like it never happened.